The mother cat adjusts the shopping cart and looks forward. The kitten lifts the fabric bag with both paws, wagging its tail. The glass doors slide open, the mother cat pushes the cart forward, the kitten bounces lightly as it walks. The supermarket lights shimmer inside. The mother cat lifts the rice bag slowly and turns it slightly as if reading the label. The kitten pokes at a bag on the lower. The mother cat tilts the salmon tray slightly, examining. The kitten leans closer to the counter, bling with excitement.